guys, this is Kiki on a self-care apparel, and we're back with another video. My bad, I was just trying to move this around. So we're going to be putting my products into their bags. This is behind the scenes. Y'all are coming behind the scenes with me. So yeah. Get them. Alright. So minus these bags, we're gonna focus on this bag. Alright. So we're gonna get a tissue paper. Now I know this may sound backwards, but do have to take out three of the products and put some seal wrap on them. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. Let my sons and their tablets stay out there. We're gonna put some crinkly paper in here. And the launch date is the 19th of December. And we're gonna put a hot cocoa sugar scrub right here in the center. Then we're gonna put our hot cocoa body oil right there. No, right here, because then our hot cocoa body lotion has to go right there, and then our hot cocoa body butter. And that's how it looks, y'all. We're gonna set aside. So we're gonna do this repeatedly until all of them is in there. I could come back once I got everything in, but yeah, that's how we're gonna do this. Set it nice and neat. It's like a gift. It's like you're giving a gift to your family for Christmas. It's like a skincare gift bag. I'm about to say, don't do this now. When I done said, oh, y'all in there nicely. Y'all went in there nice and neat. Y'all had went in here nice and neat. Sometimes I have luck with this, y'all. Sometimes I don't. They go in here nice and neat, and they don't go in there nice and neat sometimes. But I'll be fighting with my products. But more stuff is going to be in there. Like, freebies going to be in there. All right. Oh, y'all can't see this one. Okay. It's the same process. We're going to go with the body scrub, and then the body oil, the body lotion. Just come in there and knock it down stuff. Lord. Set up my presentation. And the body butter. All right. I'll be right back when I show y'all more behind the scenes.